Ever been in a situation where you need to send money to a friend, but you don't use the same banking app? Or maybe you're out to dinner, and you're the only one who has cash. What if there was a way to send money instantly to anyone, regardless of whether they have a specific app or not, and without any fees? Well, with the Chime Pay Anyone feature, you can. It's built right into your Chime account, making it a simple and quick way to get money to friends and family. This isn't just for paying other Chime members. You can send money to anyone with a valid debit card. Here's a quick rundown of how it works. First, open your Chime mobile app and tap the Pay button at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the Pay Anyone option. You can then search for a friend from your contacts or enter their email address or phone number to send money to someone who isn't a Chime member. Once you've selected the recipient, enter the amount you want to send and add a quick note to let them know what the money is for. You can even add an emoji or a gift to make it more personal. Once you've confirmed the details, hit Pay to send the money. It's that easy. If you're sending money to a fellow Chime member, the funds will appear in their account instantly. If you're paying someone who doesn't have Chime, they'll receive a text or email notification with a link. They'll just need to click the link, enter their debit card information to claim the funds, and the money will be deposited into their account. They have up to 14 days to claim the money before it's returned to you. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've successfully sent money to a friend, no matter where they bank, and without any fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.